There is just one goal, and that is to make life easy for my fellow women. I know you guys want comfort even when it comes to your kitchen. You want to make food as fast as possible. You don't want to rack your brain when it comes to cooking every day of the week. Do you struggle with what to eat every day of the week? I know, right? That knowing what to eat every day of the week can be a brain-taxing experience, especially as a woman. You have to rack your brain every day of the week on what to give your household or what to eat by yourself. So, hey guys, I'm Tolex, and I'm here today to show you on a step-by-step process of what to eat every day of the week. In case you're not subscribed to my channel, I always say to stay subscribed to my channels. I know you'll be interested in having nice recipes you can make at the comfort of your home and getting some cooking tips and cooking hacks that will be useful for your livelihood. Just in case that interests you, you want to take a bold step of hitting the subscribe button down below. It's by your right hand side. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And without much ado, let's jump into the reason why we are here today. Number one on my list when it comes to planning your daily meal is to get your timetable shipped. Just to make sure you are serious with this, I won't advise you go with a note on your phone. I won't advise you use your tablet, and to make sure that it is an active timetable. I know a lot of people will feel like you can do it on your system, you can do it on your tablet, on your notes, on your phone, but to make sure that it is an active meal planner, you want to make sure to print it out, just like mine here. So this is for you and I, because I struggle with this as well. If you go with a soft copy, it's likely you're not realistic with it. But if you use a planner and you can paste it in your kitchen, in your shelf, and you know you have to be checking it every day so that you don't stress yourself. Before we go to join our chat, the next step you're going to do is to list 4 basic food stuff you always have in your pantry. We want to be as realistic as possible. The next thing to do is to take a rough sheet and list down the 4 basic food stuff you have in your pantries. By basic, I mean this food stuff is something that on the days when you are broke, when you are buoyant, you have this food stuff constant key in your house. I'll give you an example of this. Rice, you have yam, you have beans, and you have, let's say, spaghetti, or rice, beans, yam, and potatoes. So just list them out on a rough sketch. So to start with, you want to make sure to get yourself a very comfortable environment. If you love to sit down, you want to rest on a table, please go ahead to do that. Just make sure you're comfortable and get your sheet and your pen. The reason why you see me have many pen here, like different colors, is because I just want to make it stylish. So if you're the type of that you don't want that, of course you can use a blue pen, a black pen, a green pen, anything. But for me, I just use 2 shades of pen out of all the pen and all the markers I have here, okay? But it's fine. The whole goal is just to make everything spicy and attractive and colorful. Yeah, so guys, after setting up the basic things you have in your pantry, your rice, your beans, your yam, and every other thing you know that you have constant K in your house, write it down beside you on that same table, because that will serve as a guide to create your meal planner. Yeah, so on the days you have bread can be in different shapes. I know bread is not something you have like you saw in your pantry, something you buy on a daily basis, like maybe once in 2 days, one in 5 days and all. But for instance, you want to make toast bread, you're buying bread. There's some penny things you buy from the store that you don't really have in your pantry. Talking of bread, for instance, you can make your bread stylish. Stylish how? I'm going to tell you. Now on a day, if you look at me on a Sunday morning for breakfast, I wrote avocado toast, tea or hot chocolate for breakfast. Avocado toast means you're going to use bread. Bread is a basic equipment, or I said equipment, it's a basic ingredient. Yeah. So herb toast. Another time you can write French toast. So that's why I said you should know how to make some, those things, making them shouldn't be a problem. You should learn how to make some, little things that can spice up your cooking game or your appetite and make you eat well. Not all the time you have your bread raw like that with maybe bread and egg sauce. You can spice it up and have avocado toast. Just make sure that in all you do, you try to introduce new recipes, no matter how small the process looks like, even if it's just learning how to make French toast or how to make avocado toast. Perhaps you want to spice up your game in the kitchen business and you want to learn how to make mouth-watering, delicious but simple avocado toast. check my YouTube page right here. Just go ahead to check my short form content and you will see how I made my avocado toast. Okay, so it's just as simple as ABC. Just like French toast is the most simplest. So you guys should learn to spice things up when it comes to the kitchen business. Okay, so just follow through on how I make this. Try to copy me if you feel like you want to. Just copy how I wrote everything. Just study the timetable. This is not the time for me to start listing it that okay, yam plus XS plus amala plus ewedu plus gbegiri. Just study the timetable. Okay, I'll leave the rest to you guys. We are done with our meal planner. So guys, don't forget to hit forward. That was my last note for you guys. To my fellow women, now setting your weekly meal planner won't be a problem anymore. I hope to see you guys next time, and I hope you're going to be following these steps just in case you need a guide on how to set your meal timetable. I love you guys, and I see you guys next time. Bye.